This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by J. Rudiger Weiss. Custom Spanish-style home with paver courtyard and small spa pool. The home needs work, but offers a great floor plan. A separate studio/office with half bath is located in the Casita across the courtyard. The owner suite is located on the main floor and a guest suite on the second floor. Porcelain tiles and wood floors throughout. Lush native plants around the house and lake in the back. Located in lovely Sorrento Cay, west of Trail in Nokomis. Only a short drive to beautiful Nokomis Beach on Casita, to charming Downtown Venice, and only about a 20 minutes drive to Downtown Sarasota. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Rudiger Weiss at 941-365-0022.